I get shot right through into bolt of blue. It's no problem of mine, but it's a problem I find, living the life that I can't leave behind. There's no sense in telling me the wisdom of fool when to set you free, but that's the way that I goes, and nobody knows. And every day my confusion grows. Every time I see you fall and I get down on my knees and pray, waiting for the final moment you say the words that I can't say. I feel fine, I feel good, I feel like I never should. Whenever I get this way, just know what to say. Why can't be yourself like you were yesterday? I'm not sure what this could mean. I don't think you and what you've seen. I bludgeon me to myself that if I hurt someone else, they'll never see just when meant to be. Every time I see you falling down, I get down on my knees and pray, waiting for the final moment you say the words that I can't say. Every time I see you falling down, get down on my knees and pray, waiting for the final moment you say the words that I can't say.